Hello everyone and welcome to my very first redstone tutorial video. And today I'm going to show you how to build a basic shulker box loader system. So what this system does is that when you put a shulker box here, all empty ones, and then you put the items that you want to put in on those shulker boxes, and that they get automatically filled in, and then they come out here. So just to give this thing a test, I will put in a lot of books right here, and in theory, we should have a shulker box full of mending books. There you go. I just heard it. Alright, so as you can see, that's a lot of mending books. Yep, the shulker box is full of mending books. And also, just to show you that this is not only for non-stackable items, I'm gonna put in stones here, and it should give me a shulker box full of stones. Alright. Okay, there you go. So we have it here, and as you can see, that's full of stone. Alright, so this is actually a fairly simple build. The dimension is 3 by 5 by 6. Okay, so just to demonstrate this thing from the inside, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing, and this time with a pickaxe. Alright, I already filled in this with shulker boxes. And then we should press this button right here just to make the shulker box pop out. Okay, now there you go. Now let's go ahead and check if it's full, and it's full. Okay, so yeah, it works. It's fairly simple. If you ran out of shulker box, all you had to do is to press this button and you're all good again. In this build right here, the button is here. Just to show you as well how this looks from the inside. It's pretty cramped, but yeah, it's exactly the same thing. So as you can see, the system works. Now let me go ahead and show you how to build this thing. So the item that you're gonna need in this build are 5 solid blocks, 1 redstone block, 1 sticky piston, 1 redstone repeater, 1 redstone comparator, a minimum amount of 3 hoppers. It can be more than that. It depends on how you want to install the hoppers that supplies the shulker box and the filler items. And then 6 chests for efficiency. It can also be just 3, and 1 dispenser, 2 observers, 2 redstone torch, and that's about it. And oh, I almost forgot about the slab. Yeah, we need 1 slab, and of course the shulker box, and then the filler items. It can be anything. So to start with, let's go ahead and count 4 blocks in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put our output hopper right there. It can face there or any other direction. It really depends on how you like it or where you want your chest to be facing. And next is you need to put a soul sand right here, a temporary block right there, and another block there, and on top of that, and then we'll put a comparator right there, another temporary block, and then a redstone torch, another block, and then a redstone torch. Now here we have to place a repeater facing that way, and then another temporary block, and then a piston. Next is a slab. It doesn't need to be a slab, but I just like using slabs so that I can open the shulker box in case I need to. Alright, then next we need to put an observer facing that direction, and an observer facing upwards, and then a dispenser facing this direction. And just to finish things off, we need to put a redstone block right here or from on the other side. It doesn't really matter, but if you want to put it here, you're gonna save 1 more space, so this will end up being 2 by 6 by 5. Another alternative that you can do is you can use full blocks right there, and then redstone dust right here and then put this on subtract mode. That works just the same. Or even you can do something like this, but make sure to put it not on subtract mode. Alright, anyway, so like I said, this is the output hopper right here. Just for the final touch, we need to put in the hopper that supplies the shulker box. It can be put there or there or there. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you where you want to put it. And right here, you can put in the hopper that will fill in the shulker box, and you can also put it here on this side, or you can just keep both hoppers there, so it's gonna fill in a lot more faster. And one last thing is the button, to make sure that if in case that you ran out of shulker boxes, you can make it pop out again. The button can be placed right there, or it can be placed to a block or whatever you want to trigger it. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that you need to know regarding this build. Anyways, everyone, that's it for me today. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, let me know in the comments, and please leave a like button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate if you do. And again, thank you very much for watching the video. This is Pale, and you guys have an awesome day. And also feel free to watch my survival let's play episodes in the Minecraft community servers. I would really appreciate if you do.